Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Selkirk GM. Here to show you the all-new redesigned 2022 Chevy Equinox. Now, for those of you already familiar with the vehicle, I'd like to highlight the design changes in the headlights and in the grille, giving the Equinox a much more sporty look. The Equinox is powered by a 1.5-liter turbo engine paired with a 6-speed transmission. Let's have a look at some of the inside. Having a look at the rear cargo space of the Equinox, it is quite spacious, and for those of us that require more space, with the quick pull of a handle, the seats go all the way down nice and flat. So whether it's golf clubs or hockey equipment or anything else that you might be transporting, the Equinox provides plenty of space. So the Equinox does feature keyless entry. I have the keys in my pocket, so whether I'm carrying a bag or what have you, one push of the button will unlock the driver's side door, 2 pushes to unlock all 4 doors. Let's go inside and have a look. Back inside the Equinox to highlight some features. So we have your infotainment screen equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you could sync up your phone and use your phone apps. This vehicle also features all-wheel drive at the push of a button to gain traction in those crucial winter months. We also have the heated seats for your comfort. Come see us at 1010 Manitoba. We'll get you into your new Equinox.